I'm Gary Adams. 早上好. I'm at Nanjing University, and I want to tell you a little bit about a class that was offered for the first time this year. It was a Chinese class that was open to foreign teachers. The thing that I liked about the class, of course, I felt like it was going to be a little bit basic, and it was. But I took it because I wanted to support Barbara, who was learning Chinese for the first time. But it was a good experience. I loved our teacher, Liu Lu, and also had the opportunity to interact with the other foreign teachers, and that was perhaps the best part of the class. But it was also good for me to review, and I did learn some new things. And I did have the opportunity to listen and speak to the language. I teach one design class. I'm also required to, and it's a popular class, it's a class for non-art majors. It's an elective course. And the thing that I also want to say is that I study Chinese every day. One of the best study tools that I have is the scriptures, the student study edition of the Book of Mormon. That helps me to review words I've learned. The thing that I notice from using that is that my Chinese is progressing and that I'm actually learning more each time I go through the Book of Mormon.